The front wall of a two-story building collapsed onto scaffolding yesterday afternoon at a Metrolinx construction site, injuring several people. The scaffolding was used to make a walkway for pedestrians passing by. People were injured and trapped underneath, but accounted for soon after the accident. The building, near Bathurst and Eglinton Avenue, was being demolished and will be the future site of a Metrolinx LRT crosstown station. As of this morning, the area was still off-limits to the public. For more updates on this story, make sure to visit our website at dailycommercialnews.com. For DCN, this is Mark Cadiz.